I work as a chief engineer at a plant for the production of medicines, cosmetics, and dietary supplements in the Kaliningrad region. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film and foil, and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. Half a year ago we decided to master the production of a new product, herbal throat medicine. We bought equipment for the production of the drug, organized the site of filling and packaging of capsules, and began the procedure of obtaining the necessary documents for product certification. In pharmaceutical production it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs at each stage of production. Our enterprise carries out a number of experimental tests, researches with the help of different laboratory equipment before drug launching. For this purpose it is necessary to provide experimental solutions. We are faced with the necessity of dosing our drug into 100 milliliters vials to provide it for research. We had a dosing machine, but it only dosed liquids from 1 liter bottles. We decided to buy automatic equipment for dispensing liquids into 100 milliliters bottles. The first thing I did was to contact the supplier of the liquid dispensing equipment we had. The quality and performance of our existing dispenser suited us, and we decided to consider this manufacturer. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me said that this equipment was removed from production last year, and offered another option. I carefully studied the proposed device, but it turned out that it has an error of dosing 0.3 milliliters for vials with a small volume is an unacceptable error. We didn't want to take any chances, so I looked for another option. I was looking for a machine that was as effective as possible, safe for the employee, made of durable material, with automatic dosing, to eliminate the influence of human error. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions, and easy to operate, and so I started my search for a liquid dosing machine, with a feeling of confidence that I'd find the necessary equipment at once. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose by location, terms of delivery, price range. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options, because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. Then I searched for a liquid dispensing machine from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent them emails indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our staff can speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy the car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing automatic equipment for dosing liquids by myself, and decided to turn to an intermediary specialist. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I was confident, who would deliver to me automatic dispensing equipment in the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, and shared the experience of previous customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we concluded a contract for the delivery of automatic equipment for dispensing liquids. Before delivery of the equipment, the manager sent me a video of the machine by email, where I could see the machine in operation, the automatic dosing of liquids with an electronic pump, the possibility to control and adjust the parameters of the liquid supply. An additional advantage was the presence of dosing into 2 bottles at once, which accelerated the process of filling the liquid. The machine was delivered on schedule. It was compact, economical, and easy to operate. We were pleased with the automatic liquid dispensing equipment recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. It was nice to find out that we have many mutual acquaintances. I realized that I had chosen the right person to supply the equipment. It was a pleasure to talk to a professional who knew his business.